welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Rutuja and I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So finally, welcome to a huge H&M haul video. Now you guys, this video has been in the pipeline since forever because if you know me, I love shopping from H&M, and whenever I used to decide that now I'm going to finally film an H&M haul video, I used to keep on shopping more from H&M. So I have taken a break from my shopping right now, so I just thought this would be the right time to shoot a H&M haul video. So this is the stuff that I'm going to show you guys in today's video, and this is just going to be the part 1 because I have a lot of accessories that I bought from H&M as well. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you guys all the clothing items that I got from H&M, and in the part 2, I'll be sharing with you guys all the accessories that I got from H&M. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just jump into today's video. Let's start by talking about the top that I'm wearing right now. So this is a green color ka crop top, and I just love the minimal detailing that is going on the top. So as you can see, either neck ke bhai grip detailing ho raha hai, and I just love how minimal the print is. So overall, this material is so comfortable, and I mean, in summers I love to wear color, so I just wanted to add something which has color in my wardrobe, and I'm just making a constant effort to not shop clothing items which are black in color, because whenever I open my wardrobe, I'm like, sab black dikhta hai. Also you guys, I'll be mentioning all the price details on the screen. Moving to the second top that I got from H&M is a basic beige top. I love having basic tops in my collection, you guys, because again, they are so easy to style and they are so comfortable. You don't have to think twice ki main ye pehnu ki nahi. And again, because of summers, I had to shop some oversized items. So this is the top that I got from H&M ka basic section, and I love to shop from their basic section because the quality of their fabric is so amazing. So if you're looking for something to shop from summers, and if you're looking for breathable fabrics, you should definitely check out the basic section of H&M. Just now I was talking about adding colors to my wardrobe, but I feel a basic beige top is a staple piece that every girl should have in her wardrobe, and I love neutrals these days, you guys. So colors and neutrals, I'm just trying to maintain a balance dono mein. Going to the third top that I got from H&M is a mesh detailing wala top, and this is how it looks like. Now this is from the H&M into Smiley collection. Now I did not have a printed mesh top in my wardrobe, so I was like, ye le hi lete. I was attracted to this because of the color, and secondly because of the print. It gives me such Y2K vibes, and also because of the ruffle detailing which is going around the arm area. Really looking forward to style this. Make sure you're following me on my Instagram because I'll be posting all the styling videos over there. So yeah, go fadafad and follow me. Going to the fourth top that I have from H&M is this one. Now you guys, this was supposed to be my birthday dress wala top, but I did not end up wearing this. I just picked this up because of the detailing. The detailing on this top is so amazing, and I feel ye jo cutouts and the elongated puff sleeves आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा trend में चल रहा है. So this top was screaming everything that is going on in the trend to me. So hence I got this. This top fits perfectly on me, and when I wore this color was looking so nice on me. So I instantly knew that I'm going to buy this one. Last top that we have in the tops category is a one shoulder top, and this is how it looks like. Now this is a bling top, and again it's a crop top, like thoda sa crop top, bralette top bhi bol sakte ho aap isko, because yeah, it's very short. I love wearing crop tops and bralette tops, you guys. I feel it just flatters my body type, and I feel so sexy when I'm wearing them. I love to flaunt my collarbones. I think ye maine sale se uthaya tha. Yeah, so this is priced for ₹1000, and I got this for $399. Such an amazing deal. H&M mein there is always a sale section jo alag se hota hai. Make sure you check them out. वहाँ आपको बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे pieces मिल जाते हैं in a good price.
I totally forgot to share this bralette with you guys. I mean, just look at it. It is so gorgeous. I just love the floral print that is going on. I mean, this screams everything summer to me. Right from the print to the cutout, I love everything about this bralette.
I was about my tops category, and I did a very good job because मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा mixed category के tops उठाए हैं. So moving to the dress category. So for dress we have two dresses which I got from H&M. Now one is on the basic side. Again, I got this because of the puff detailing and because of the cutout detailing which it has. Now one thing I would like to say over here is that iska jo quality hai, it's not the best quality, but I took this because of the color. I wanted to add a summer dress which is in pink color for the longest time, and it fits so beautifully. It just gives me the soft girl yet sexy wala vibes. So hence I went for this one. Now I got this recently, so this is priced for rupees 1300. So you guys, the second dress that I got is this one. Now it's a bling OTT dress, and the other one was on the summer side and this is on the party wear side. मैंने वो pink color का top और ये top मैंने एक साथ उठाया था from the sale section, so I got it for an amazing price. So basically this is priced for rupees 1500 and I got it for 500. So I got this because इसका जो cutout detailing है, it was trending so much and I was like ये तो मुझे पहनना ही है. So look at it. It is such a OTT dress. It has a lot of cutout going on. It has a slit going on. And you guys, just because it's a OTT dress, I understand बहुत ज़्यादा लोग comfortable नहीं हो गए इसमें. So I'll just give you one styling tip over here is that if you just wear a basic white color का top, if you just layer it with this dress, it is going to look so amazing. And if you just add statement earrings or just basic hooks, you're just going to rock this type of dresses. I feel Urbanic में you will get a basic beige color का dress in the same cutout. So if you're looking for something, then go and check out Urbanic. Those were the two dresses that I got from H&M. Again, I'm very happy कि मैंने दो opposite dresses shop किए for दो opposite occasions. Moving to the pants category, you guys, I again have two pants. So let's start by talking about this one. So this is a ribbed flare detailing wala pants, whatever you wanna call it, and I mainly got this because again it's high waist. If you don't know already and if you're new on my channel, I am a pear shape body type, so I only shop bottoms which are high waist and don't go for mid waist, and low waist की तो बात ही नहीं आती है. So yeah, it is a super high waist and body hugging trouser, so it is going to hug my curves very nicely. अगर ये कैमरा पे अगर आपको ऐसा मटेरियल दिख रहा है इसका, इसमें बिल्कुल गर्म नहीं होता है. It is super comfortable and breathable material. Only one thing you have to keep in mind if you're shopping for this one and if you're wearing such pants is that inners आपको seamless पहनने पड़ेंगे, and do not go for colorful inners because it is going to show, because it is a see-through trousers, you guys. I'm not happy about that, but मुझे ऐसा लगा था once I wear this ये नहीं होगा उतना see-through, but it is see-through. So make sure you're investing in nude and black seamless वाले innerwear. So the second pant that I have for you guys is a brown trousers. Now जो मैंने आपको पहले brown top बताया था, this one, ये दोनों basically set था which I was supposed to wear on my birthday but I did not. मैंने कुछ अलग ही पहना था मेरे birthday पे. So yeah, this is a wide leg वाला brown trousers, and again you guys, it is a high waist trousers because I cannot do bottoms if they are not high waist, and I have wore this on Women's Day and मैंने again Instagram पे picture डाला है, so you can go and check out कि ये मेरे पे कैसा दिख रहा है. I had styled this in a very formal way, but ये आप casual way में भी style कर सकते हो. You can just throw an oversized t-shirt and wear sneakers and be good to go. For the longest time, I don't know why I did not get my hands on wide leg pants, but now that I have wide leg trousers, I know कि ये कितना ज़्यादा flattering लगता है मेरे pear shape body type पे. Also guys, I have a video on my channel which says must have bottom wear for pear shape body type. Description box में मैंने सारे brands mention किए जो एक pear shape body type को flatter करेंगे. I'll link the video over here so then go and check it out. I'm just saying it over here because H&M is a brand which makes amazing pair of bottoms for pear shape body type. Also you guys, I did get a joggers from H&M but वो मैंने घुमा दिया है. For the life of me, I'm not getting it, but if in case I find it, I'll just post a picture of it on my Instagram. So yeah, that's about that. Going to the last clothing item in today's haul video, and basically this item is my favorite out of the lot, इसलिए मैंने इसको showstopper के लिए रखा था. Now this is a bathrobe, you guys. Oh my god. If you just feel this, you're going to buy it. I am telling you. And once I wear this, मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं इसमें जाके सो जाऊंगी. मुझे कुछ comforter वगैरह की जरूरत नहीं है. So I mainly was looking for a bathrobe which is in white color because मेरा जो previous bathrobe है वो white color का था, and white bathrobe में इतना aesthetic pictures आता है. But जैसे मैंने इसको देखा है, जैसे मैंने इसको फील किया, I'm like forget white, I am taking this one. इसका quality so good. I mean, it is softer than a teddy bear, you guys. It is just amazing. I can practically live in this. It also has a huge pocket as you can see, and obviously it comes with a belt. So ये मेरे लिए ना बहुत ज़्यादा oversized है. I have wore this in a get ready with me for a date video. I'll link it over here. It gives such a houty pouchy luxurious vibe. I just love it. I believe this was priced for rupees 2,300, and for 2,300 this is a blessing, you guys. If you're looking for a bathrobe, definitely check out this one. So yeah, that was about my huge clothing haul video from H&M. I am super duper happy that I finally filmed this video. अभी मैं ये सारा अनपैक करके मैं मेरे वार्डरोब में डाल सकती हूँ, नहीं तो ये वो H&M के बैग में ही पड़ा था इतने टाइम से. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I enjoyed filming this one, and let me know in the comments box below which was your favorite clothing item. If you want to see how these pieces look on me, you should definitely go and follow me on my Instagram, because I'll be posting a lot of outfit pictures. I'll definitely be styling them on my Instagram, so make sure you're going and follow me over there. Also, all the links to the products would be mentioned in the description box below. So yeah, let me know in the comments box below which was your favorite item from today's clothing haul, and you guys about the part 2. Now for the part 2, I'm yet to buy one more accessory, so as soon as I buy that, I'll film the H&M accessories haul video, and then I will post it again. I'll keep you guys updated regarding the video. So yeah, you know the drill, you guys. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. That being said, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Until then, live and let live. Take care. Bye.